Hi, Mrs. Product Reviews here, and I'm going to be doing a review today on the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil. It's in the color of Overdrive. It's a very interesting color of green. It says it's waterproof and it's long-lasting. Now, I've been using Urban Decay for a while now, and I find varying amounts of waterproof and long-lasting, just depending on the texture and the formula for each color. It has been my experience that the creamier the pencil, the more it smudges, or the more frosty or iridescent it is based on the mica and other iridescent ingredients, the more likely it is to spread and creep underneath and around the eyes, or into places that I did not place it. So let me just give you a review on this. Let me bring this up into focus. You can see it all. So there you go. There's the color. It's an Overdrive. Now my eyes are a naturally occurring green. They're a kind of a gray green. So I typically don't buy green. I will buy something at sort of a teal or a purple or a mauve. But this was unusual. I want to show you. This has got just the right amount of blue into it. While it is still very clearly a green, it has just enough blue to where it creates a counterpoint with my green eye. It does not gray out my green eye. It actually highlights it by having just that tiniest little bit of blue in it. Now, you can also tell that it's got just a little bit of an iridescence in it, and what that means for me is it's not going to really stay in place. It's going to mostly stay in place. And there you have it. Now, had I put this on and just left it without touching it, left it as a hard line, it probably would stay in place mostly throughout the day. But that's not the way most of us people who wear makeup wear our makeup. We become artsy. We modify it for our features and our style. And so being able to anticipate how it will move, how it will stay, maybe blending it and then reapplying it for a very specific effect, an edge or a blending in for a hard to a gradation. We're our own artist palette. So whatever art that we're doing with the makeup on the canvas that is our face, we are using the medium in the best way that we know how, and the interpretation and adaptation. And that's exactly what Urban Decay knows. I do wish this were truly 100% waterproof, but it's pretty good. So anyway, there it is. There's my my review of the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil, waterproof, long-lasting in Overdrive. Pretty happy. I'm going to give this a 4-star out of 5 because it's not 100%, it doesn't stay in place completely. It does move around. Otherwise, I'd give it a 5-star. So this will be my 4-star review. So if you have found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. And for more information, you can look at the video description down below. Thank you for viewing my review. Mrs. Product Reviews, over and out.